Catch the rain where it falls, when it falls. Initiative by Government of India. Launched by Ministry of Jal Shakti. State governments are setting up Varsha Kendras for Catch the Rain mission. Varsha Kendras will act as a guide for saving water from the rain. These will have a dedicated mobile number that offers guidance on rainwater conservation. Catch the Rain mission will enumerate water sources, remove their encroachments, and work towards water conservation. Catch the Rain mission is for all of us. It's our responsibility that we all come forward to make this mission successful. Better water management will create a better future. Connect with C Positive for your participation in water conservation, to give your little contribution for the betterment of the society.